Dean from Leisure Travel Vans. We have some exciting news for our 2025 Unity corner bed, a brand new option. I can't wait to show it to you. Come on, let's go have a look at this. '25 Unity corner bed still has this great big open space when the slide outs out. You still have this beautiful big bed in the back, stand-up dry bath. We've got our beautiful pull-out pantry still, 2-door, electric fridge, bottom freezer, all the same. But here's the big thing, kids, you're gonna absolutely love this. Brand new option for 2025 on the Unity corner bed. The Leisure Lounge chairs. You heard it first, you heard it right now. What does that mean? It means I've got power recliners on both sides. Is this not absolutely fantastic? Leisure Lounge chairs. I can't say it enough. Leisure Lounge chairs, Leisure Lounge chairs, Leisure Lounge chairs. Both sides, Leisure Lounge chairs. I can't believe it. This is the ultimate motorhome. This is a great option on the Unity corner bed. We still have the standard dinette, which we've redesigned, which you're gonna see later on, but this is the best option I think you can have, the Leisure Lounge chairs in a Unity corner bed. And this particular motorhome is shown in our optional 60th anniversary edition with the frosted gray uppers. It has the cool ice ultra fabrics, and it's got the mineral white countertops. It's got the beautiful matte black hardware on all the handles and everything, diamond exterior paint, white oak wood. Yes, so the brand new Unity corner bed with the optional Leisure Lounge chairs. Plus, we have USB and USB-C charging ports here and here. We have an inverted plug there as well. Now we've got USB and USB-C charging ports on this side as well, so you can charge all your things. You can work on your laptop, but that's not all. We've got lots of other great things because this will also be a dinette area. You can use it as a desk area, and I can push it down and make it into a sofa. When I want to make it into a dinette area, very simple and very easy. You're gonna see how this blocks down. This comes in here. Now I've got a backrest for dinner here. I'll do the same thing over on this side. You can see it's all done in real time. Very simple to do. We just slide this in and look at this. Now I've got a beautiful dinette area. Have a cup of coffee, breakfast, dinner, lunch. Yes, sir. And when this comes down like this, I open up my window, so I have lots of natural light, and I've got a little armrest here. This is cool. Got a little armrest for sitting back and relaxing, playing cards, working on my computer, sitting back, relaxing, watching TV. Absolutely. You've got it all right here in a corner bed. Hey, and look at this. You have lots of storage area. That's really cool. And look at this. When I lift this up, look how much storage I have. Can I put lots of storage in there? That is so smart. My laptop, things like that. It's kind of hidden. Nobody would even know it's there. It's kind of like a little safe. Super nice. And I love the beautiful window. You got the daytime and the nighttime shades. Absolutely fantastic. Awning style window, so it opens up for lots of fresh air. So cross ventilation throughout the motorhome. LED lights, and look, we didn't lose any storage area. Look at this. We still have all these beautiful cabinets, curved doors, European hidden hinges. Absolutely fantastic. Soft close. Oh, yes. So now I can make it into a sofa. Why not? How about a chaise lounge? Because I can watch TV, sit back, kick back, and relax. I could actually use this as a little bit of a day bed if I wanted to have a nap. Absolutely. So chaise lounge that side, chaise lounge on this side. Pull out TV is fabulous because I can pull this out. This comes across, and now I can watch my favorite Animal Channel TV right here, kick back and relax. Yes, this is very, very good. So little day bed, chaise lounge for sure, sofa definitely, dinette area, leisure lounge, chairs, or like I said, I think you can make it into a little bit of a day bed. You just wanted to have a nap without going in the back area there, or as usual, I'd get kicked out of the back bed and here I would be at night, which is fine. I like it. Oh, the leisure lounge, is that not fantastic? And if you think that's great, I can't wait to show you the exterior features on the new corner bed for 2025. So we have our beautiful anniversary edition. This is the new diamond exterior paint color. So let's have a look at the traditional storage that we've had on all Unity corner beds. We have this great big storage bin right here, which was a great storage bin. Move that out of the way here. We have our optional table, but look how much storage you have. I mean, that was fantastic, but you're not, this is gonna blow your mind. You're not going to believe what we've done. We still have our traditional storage underneath the slide out. Look at this, nice big storage area here. And the big reveal, this is unbelievable. And I mean, seriously, fantastic. Hello, this is some serious storage. One set of clubs, two set of clubs, and I still have room for more storage. Shelf, look at that. Huge big storage area inside the slide out area. Unbelievable. This has got some serious storage. Big storage on the passenger side, and now big storage on the driver's side. Is that not fantastic? How great is that? Two sets of golf clubs in this storage area, plus I still have my main storage area on the 2025 Unity corner bed. This is one incredible option, having the leisure lounge chairs in the Unity corner bed. Like I said, it's probably the perfect two-person motorhome. You still got the big bed in the back. You have the versatility of this dinette area, chaise lounge, sofa area, kick back, relax. We added the big exterior storage on this side, and I still have another big storage bin on the passenger side. So great option for 2025. And for the 2025 model year, we've redesigned the standard booth. I can't wait to show you that in another video. So you're gonna absolutely love the Unity corner bed for 2025. Make sure you check out your local leisure travel van dealer. Come see one of these beauties in person. Hey, thanks for watching the video. Dean from Leisure Travel Vans.